Hey guys, welcome to my cooking channel, and today I'm here with you to show you one very simple and easy to cook recipe of potatoes. And who doesn't like potatoes? Everybody likes potato, I guess. So here I have baby potatoes which is boiled and peeled, and make sure you don't overcook them. Then I also have here finely chopped garlic. I have taken 3 cloves of garlic, and then I have cumin seeds here and turmeric powder. And so this is very simple. As you can see, you only require 4 ingredients. So let's get started. So here in a pan I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil and 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I have taken a little bit of more cumin seeds because cumin seeds and potato makes a really good combination. So you are not going to wait long to add the potatoes, because if you wait longer for oil to cook, the potatoes will start sticking to the bottom of the pan. So make sure that you don't heat up the oil so much. And then into this I'm also going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. You don't really need to add a lot of turmeric powder. And then now here goes our potatoes, baby potatoes. And I'm going to mix it now. And we are not going to add the garlic at this point, because we will let the potatoes cook in this condition until you start seeing the brownness on the surface of the potatoes. So you really have to make it like really need to get the crunch on the potatoes, so which is going to take some time. So once the potatoes are half cooked, we will add garlic so that garlic doesn't get burned out. So you have to make sure that if you add the garlic at this point, you will burn all the garlic and it won't actually taste well. So I'm going to let this cook for 5 minutes, and make sure that you keep stirring in between, and then we will check on the potatoes after 5 minutes. So these potatoes are half cooked, and you can see here it has also started sticking to the bottom. So it means that I think I have slightly overcooked the potatoes, but that doesn't mean that it is not good. So this still looks really good, and at this point I'm just going to add garlic. And just give it a stir, and now I'll cook these potatoes along with garlic for another 5 minutes, and that's it. The potato and garlic is then ready to serve. So let's just check on this after 5 minutes. So here guys, the potato is now ready, and as you can see here, it has stuck quite a bit at the bottom, but that also tastes really good because you can just scrape it off and it will be really nice and crunchy to eat that. So it's very simple, easy to cook, and I would suggest that you can also use non-stick pan, so that would actually prevent potatoes from sticking at the bottom. So that would really help you. So now the potatoes are now ready to serve, and it's very easy, and try this and I'm pretty sure you would love this. So here potatoes cooked with garlic and cumin seeds are ready, and I have also garnished with dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, and you can also garnish with coriander leaves if you want. So please try this recipe. It's very easy to cook, and you would love this. I mean, tell me, like, who doesn't love potatoes? So let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.